We've all heard the phrase, you are what you eat. But have you ever wondered what does it mean exactly? Well, today I'm going to explain you why we in fact are what we eat. Our health is very affected for what we eat. The micronutrients and macronutrients that are in the food that we eat every day are the ones that determine the composition of our cell membrane, bone marrow, blood, tissue, hormones, organs. Therefore, they keep us alive, prevent diseases, and make us healthy. Today we'll be talking about what are macronutrients, what are micronutrients, how they affect our health, and why it's important to our health. First of all, I'm going to start with macronutrients. They are nutrients that are required in large quantities in our body in order for it to fulfill its metabolic and physiological functions to keep us alive. There are three main types of macronutrients: proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Each one of them has a different function in the body. For example, proteins are the ones that repair and create tissue. Carbohydrates are the ones that give us energy. And fats gives us energy for long term and also help with the production of hormones in the body. Then we have the micronutrients, which are also nutrients, just that we need them in smaller quantities in order to be alive. There are lots of micronutrients, but they are divided in four main groups, which are fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble vitamins, macrominerals, and trace minerals. They also are needed for the body to be alive, but they are included in all food, just as the macronutrients, just as are not so essential because they are needed in smaller amounts. What effect do these nutrients have in our body? Well, the macronutrients they give us the energy we need to be alive. Our body needs energy in form of calories, which are in the macronutrients, which are in food, but especially in macronutrients. Depending on the ratio and the amount of macronutrients that you consume in your diet, is what is going to determine your body composition, which is the ratio between your fat, water, and muscle in the body, which is very important for your health and not having diseases and also to be alive. Then we have the micronutrients, which are nutrients necessary for energy production, blood clotting, the immune function of the body, growth, bone health, fluid balance, among others. Micronutrients as well as macronutrients are found in food, and they are what is needed to have optimal health, as they are responsible for every internal process in the body, including helping fighting diseases and being alive. What are the importance of the nutrients for our health? Well, to start, they keep you alive and healthy. According to the Department of Health of Western Australia, a healthy diet throughout life promotes healthy pregnancy outcomes, supports normal growth, development, and aging, helps to maintain a healthy body weight, and reduce the risk of chronic disease, leading to overall health and well-being. They also play a big role in your body composition, as mentioned before. According to an article published in the South Lake Hospital webpage, good body composition impacts blood pressure, resting heart rate, cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood sugar. The closer you are to your ideal weight, the easier it is to move around and be active. When you don't have excess body fat, your heart does not have to work as hard to pump blood to your whole body, carrying in that process oxygen and nutrients to the muscles and organs throughout the body. Since your heart does not have to work as hard, it can be strong and efficient. So as we can see again, having good nutrition is key to having a good body composition for the positive things just mentioned. So in conclusion, today I've talked about what are nutrients, what effect they have on our body, and why they are important for our health. Nutrients are inside the food we eat, and they are the key for our health and our lives, as mentioned throughout this speech. And that is why it's very important to take care of your nutrition. Now you know a little bit more about nutrients, health, and the importance it has on our lives. So now you can be aware of how important it is for our overall health to eat the right food. Thank you.